Here is a generative AI powered bot for Iventure at ISB. For a first time user who has not really used it, you have to put a username to register. And once you have registered, you can log in with the same username by clicking on login. So let's put a username, say AI-Gurukul, register. Now we are going to log in with the same username. Okay, so we have logged in now, and now we can ask questions about Iventure at ISB. Let you go ahead, okay?
So the first question we can ask is like anything related to Iventure ISB. So I'm asking, who is the CEO of D Labs? So then I can enter or directly navigate to send. Then the chatbot will take its response time and will respond. So it has gave us a response. So this is basically RAG and web. There are two frameworks that we are using. So RAG gave the answer as Soumya Kumar, who is the director of Iventure ISB and the CEO of D Labs. And also it navigated the web and gave the answer. We can rate the response how we like it on a scale of 1 to 5 and enter a
Five
feedback.
being good. Yeah.
5 being good.
Five being yeah, and one being bad.
Yeah, then there are some specific suggested questions on the questions that we have asked all the current chat. So I can directly try to see if I have any more questions that matches my needs, and then I can directly select the question and then it will be sent again to the bot.
Yeah, so this is like a feature so that someone who does not have like who wants to have some deeper knowledge about iVenture, but they don't know much context. So in that case, these suggested questions would help them find out some deeper insights or deeper information about iVenture at ISV. So here you see like no, it has given a more detailed answer. So the RAG answer is something which is based on the iVenture at ISB data that has been used to train the model. And the web answer is like, okay, you go and do a Google search and then you find information. Okay, so that's where the web answer is coming from. So it searches for all the information in web and then generates the answer. Now you can rate the answer on a scale of 1 to 5, and if you have something which is subjective feedback, that also you can enter here, like in enter your feedback text box. Yeah. So we can write maybe a paragraph or a line or a few words, whatever you want. Okay, and like after you have like logged everything, okay, then given the feedback and now you are about to close the chat session, then you click on the share data. So it will then share all the feedback that you have provided and it will get stored in cloud. So yeah, like so and like these suggested questions are based on the question that you asked. Okay. No, let's ask some other question, Levish. Like let's ask about what is IVI. We have
What
asked
is
about
IVI?
yeah. So this entire front end has been built using React. So that's why we are getting very quick responses. And this entire application is hosted in cloud. So the RAG or the generative AI powered answer, which is based on the model trained using iVenture data, and then the web answer based on the web search. And then now we see some again follow up questions on okay, what about IVI? Okay, so yeah, can you pick any question, Ravish? We can customize this application further, give it a personality, uh, give it sort of a animated icon. So like those are additional things that we can do using this. So again, like we got a very quick answer here, and quite a detailed and well formatted structured answer that we are getting here. You can rate the response, or you can enter a subjective feedback if you want. Okay, on a scale of 1 to 5. So this is how this application works, and this entire application has been built by the team at AI Gurukul.